Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel we cover a lot of useful information ranging from Forex strategies to Forex indicators to reviews of Forex or trading related platforms and so on. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, then you might want to consider doing that because you're missing out on a lot. Okay. So today we are going to be diving deep into a powerful daily forex strategy that is going to help you navigate the markets like a pro. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience under your belt, this strategy can transform how you trade daily. So you might want to grab a notebook and hit that like button and let's get started. All right. Before we jump into the strategy itself, let's quickly touch on what Forex trading is all about. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for exchanging national currencies against one another. It's the largest financial market in the world with trillions of dollars traded every day. This market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And understanding how it works is crucial for developing a successful trading strategy. All right. Now, in the forex market, currency pairs are quoted. Okay, just like Euro USD, like what we have here, Euro EUR USD, or GBP USD, XAU USD, and so on. All right, those are for currency pairs. All right. Now, your goal as a trader is to predict whether a currency pair will rise or fall in value over time. And that's where our daily strategy comes in. By focusing on specific analysis techniques and market signals, you can make informed trading decisions. All right? Now, let us break down the daily forex strategy that we will be discussing. Okay, the core of this strategy revolves around three main components: market analysis, risk management, and routine execution. Okay, so those are the three main components. Now, the first step is to conduct thorough market analysis. All right, it's very important. This includes both fundamental and technical analysis. All right. Fundamental analysis involves looking at economic indicators, news releases, and geopolitical events that can impact currency values. Okay? On the other hand, technical analysis focuses on price charts and patterns. Okay? You will want to identify key supports and resistance levels. Okay, that's where technical analysis comes in, identifying, price chart patterns and, the way price reacts, basically, price action. You will want to understand that, identify key support and resistance levels, the use of moving averages and other indicators. They can also guide your trades. Okay. Next is risk management. All right, risk management. It is very important. All right, we must talk about risk management. This is essential in forex trading. Okay, risk management is essential in forex trading. You should never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital on a single trade, typically around 1 to 2%. This way, you can survive losing streaks without devastating your account. Always set stop loss orders to protect yourself against unexpected market movements. All right. Now, thirdly, routine execution. Execution is key. Okay, develop a daily routine where you check the market at the same time every day. This consistency will help you stay disciplined and focused. As you analyze the market, look for setups that align with your strategy. Now, let us get into the specifics of your daily routine. Here's a step by step breakdown of how you can implement this strategy. First of all, start your day by checking the economic calendar for any major news events. High impact news can create volatility in the market, which can present both opportunities and risks. So make sure to note any scheduled releases that could affect your trades. Now, secondly, analyze currency pairs. Choose a few currency pairs to focus on. I'm going to recommend starting with the major pairs like the Euro USD, GBP USD, the USD JPY, and so on, as they tend to be more stable and liquid. Use technical analysis to determine entry and exit points. Look for patterns like head and shoulders, flags, or channels, etc. All right. Now, thirdly, execute your trades. Once you've identified potential trades, it's time to execute. Stick to your predefined risk management rules and set your stop loss and take profit orders. Monitor your trades throughout the day, but avoid over trading. Okay, sometimes the best action is no action at all. Now, here are some tips to keep in mind as you implement this daily Forex strategy. First of all, stay informed. Okay, markets can change quickly, so staying informed about global events and economic news is crucial. Follow reliable news sources and be active in Forex communities to gain insights. Okay, secondly, journaling. Keep a trading journal where you record your trades, okay? The rationale behind each decision and the outcome. This practice can help you learn from your successes and mistakes over time. Now, thirdly, be patient, okay? Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and practice. Don't rush into trades. Wait for setups that align with your strategy. Continuous learning is also a very important tip to keep in mind. The Forex market is always evolving. Take time to educate yourself about new techniques, tools, and strategies. Invest in courses or join webinars to expand your knowledge. All right? And that wraps up our discussion on the daily Forex strategy. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to success in Forex trading. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow traders who might benefit from it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have about today's topic. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.